Bow windows are an architectural marvel, blending elegance, natural light, and functionality into a single design element. In Kendall's vibrant and sunny environment, bow windows not only elevate the aesthetic appeal of homes but also provide numerous practical benefits. From enhancing indoor spaces to boosting property value, these windows are a perfect choice for homeowners looking to create a brighter, more spacious, and inviting atmosphere. Maximizing natural light. One of the most striking advantages of bow windows is their ability to flood living spaces with natural light. Designed with a graceful curve, bow windows consist of multiple panels of glass that capture sunlight from various angles. In Kendall, where sunshine is abundant year-round, bow windows can transform darker rooms into well-lit, welcoming spaces. Whether it's a cozy reading nook, a sunlit living room, or a brightened kitchen, the added light creates an uplifting environment that enhances daily living. Creating the illusion of space. Bow windows are an excellent solution for making rooms feel larger and more open. The outward curve extends beyond the walls of a home, creating a sense of depth and dimension that traditional flat windows cannot achieve. For Kendall properties, where maximizing space is often a priority, bow windows offer a subtle yet impactful way to add visual square footage. This is particularly valuable for smaller homes or rooms, where the illusion of extra space can make a significant difference in comfort and design. Seamless connection to the outdoors. Kendall's tropical beauty is a key part of the area's charm, and bow windows provide an uninterrupted view of the outdoors. Their panoramic design allows homeowners to enjoy stunning vistas, whether it's a lush garden, a sparkling pool, or the vibrant neighborhood surroundings. This connection to nature doesn't just enhance aesthetics, it also promotes relaxation and well-being. By inviting the outdoors in, bow windows create a tranquil atmosphere that encourages mindfulness and a deeper appreciation for Kendall's natural scenery. Versatile design options. Bow windows are highly customizable, making them a versatile choice for a wide range of home styles. They can feature 4, 5, or even more panels, with options for fixed or operable sections to suit your ventilation needs. In Kendall homes, bow windows are often paired with complementary elements such as cushioned seating, built-in storage, or decorative drapes to enhance both functionality and style. The timeless design of bow windows fits seamlessly into modern, traditional, and transitional aesthetics, adding charm to any property. Improved ventilation. By incorporating operable sections, bow windows can improve airflow and ventilation in your home. This is especially beneficial in Kendall's warm climate, where fresh air circulation is essential for comfort. Strategically positioned bow windows can promote cross-ventilation, allowing cool breezes to flow through your living spaces. This reduces reliance on air conditioning, leading to energy savings and a more sustainable lifestyle. Energy efficiency. Modern bow windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, making them an ideal choice for Kendall's climate. Many feature insulated glass and weather-resistant materials that reduce heat transfer and prevent air leaks. The natural light provided by bow windows also minimizes the need for artificial lighting during the day, lowering energy consumption and utility bills. For eco-conscious homeowners, this combination of beauty and efficiency is a winning solution. Increased property value. Bow windows are a standout feature that can significantly boost a home's market value. Their aesthetic appeal, combined with practical benefits such as improved lighting, ventilation, and energy efficiency, makes them an attractive selling point for potential buyers. In the competitive Kendall real estate market, Bow Windows can set your property apart by offering a touch of luxury and sophistication that elevates the overall living experience. Enhanced curb appeal. From the exterior, Bow Windows add a dramatic focal point to a home's facade. Their elegant curve and expansive glass panels create a distinctive look that draws attention and adds charm to the property. For Kendall homeowners who take pride in their curb appeal, Bow Windows provide an opportunity to showcase a unique architectural feature that enhances the beauty and character of their home. Conclusion. Bow windows are more than just a window style. They're a transformative element that enhances the aesthetic and functional qualities of Kendall living spaces. By maximizing natural light, creating the illusion of space, improving ventilation, and boosting energy efficiency, Bow windows offer a wide range of benefits tailored to Kendall's tropical climate and lifestyle. Whether you're remodeling an existing home or designing a new one, Bow windows are an investment that pays off in beauty, comfort, and value. With their timeless design and practical advantages, they're the perfect choice for homeowners looking to create a brighter, more spacious, and connected living environment in the heart of Kendall.